Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious crab legs. First, ensure your frozen crab legs are thawed, ideally in the refrigerator overnight. Before cooking, give them a quick rinse under cold water to remove any ice or loose bits. You'll want a large pot, some sturdy tongs, and a nice serving platter ready for when they're done. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. There are several easy ways to cook crab legs. Steaming is a popular choice, taking just 5 to 7 minutes until they are perfectly heated through. If you prefer boiling, a large pot of salted water will have them ready in 3 to 5 minutes. For a smoky twist, try grilling them. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes per side. Each method yields fantastic results. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. And on another note, staying hydrated is key, especially when enjoying a delicious, perhaps messy, meal like crab legs. Check out the Oala water bottle, it's fantastic. You can find the link for it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's talk about making those crab legs even more irresistible. A classic melted butter sauce, infused with garlic and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, is always a winner. For a bolder taste, sprinkle on some Old Bay seasoning or a zesty Cajun blend. Don't forget to serve with fresh lemon wedges. Their bright acidity truly enhances the crab's natural sweetness. Enjoy these simple additions. Serving your perfectly cooked crab legs is the final step. Provide crab crackers and seafood forks for your guests. They make getting to that sweet meat much easier. Arrange the legs attractively on a large platter to make a beautiful presentation. Consider pairing them with classic sides like buttery corn on the cob or some delicious roasted potatoes. Get ready to dig in and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.